Hi, my name is Matt, and I'm the Director of Global Business Development here at Karma. And today I'd like to introduce our eFlexx foldable power wheelchair. Now you may notice eFlexx resembles our Flex manual wheelchair, which I have behind me. And if you don't know, Flex is based on a principle of high configurability and high adjustability to fit every user. Now eFlexx mostly embodies those, although they are scaled back a bit. The trade-off is that eFlexx is a fully fledged power wheelchair. So if you're not able to use a manual wheelchair to get you through your day, or you just want to extend your journey beyond what the manual wheelchair could do, eFlexx could be a really great option for you. So I'll start off by mentioning the seat sizes available on eFlexx. So for the seat width, we have 36, 41, or 46 centimeters, which is going to be 14, 16, or 18 inches. And then for the seat depth, we have 42, 44, and 46 centimeters, which is going to be about 16, 17, or 18 inches. Okay. Now, starting from the top of the chair, you'll notice we have these push handles, which just come out like that. And you may be wondering, why do you need push handles on a power wheelchair? Well, the quick answer is we can just press these freewheel lever locks to disengage, and now you have a manual wheelchair. So if you're ever in the event that batteries die on the chair, or you're in a very crowded space like a school or airport, movie theater, and you don't feel confident to use the power, the attendant could just disengage those wheel locks and then move the chair just like a normal manual wheelchair.
Of course, eFlexx is a little heavier than a manual wheelchair, but it's really nice to have that flexibility.
Okay, so we'll just move these back down. The upholstery on the eFlexx is the same as the Flex. This is standard air mesh. Inside is about 3 centimeters or an inch of foam. That's both on the seat and the back. And on the outside is the air mesh, which is a very lightweight, breathable, and comfortable upholstery. Underneath the upholstery, we have standard tension adjustable straps. And I should mention, everything you see here today is standard on the eFlexx. So these tension adjustable straps allow us to undo and then restrap to get a really precise fit against the user's body. Of course, every user's body is different size and proportions. So by using this to fine-tune the shape of the seat and the backrest, we're able to create a lot more of a supportive and comfortable seating experience for the user. And over time, if they were, to change body shape, or we even needed to fit this chair for a new user, it's really simple to just undo these straps and then restrap them according to the user's body. Okay. You'll also notice we have a standard metal buckle seat belt. It's automobile style. It's just click closed. These armrests are going to be the same as the Flex series. So that means they flip back completely out of the way, enabling lateral transfer. And they are height adjustable. So you could use this lever here to raise or lower the armrest as necessary. We're also able to do that on the other side. Despite it having a controller, we could just quickly raise it up and lower it down as necessary. Okay, moving down. We have standard swing away footrests with a calf strap. So just remove that calf strap. And notice all of these actions are based on these orange levers, very highly visible, easy to grab. Swing it out of the way. You could remove it if you need to. For the wheels, we have 8-inch in the front, and in the back, we can have either 14 or 20-inch. Now remember, I said we could use this as a manual wheelchair in a pinch. If you have the 20-inch rear wheels, this could actually be like a self-propelled manual wheelchair. So if there was no attendant and the user was more independent, if they ran out of battery or were in a very crowded space, very easy for them to just switch over and operate this like a self-propelled wheelchair. All right. I can show you the back now, and in the back, we have twin 250 watt motors, as well as a 26.1 amp hour battery. This is a lithium battery. It's our quick release version. So you just undo this strap, pull it out just like that. Now I'll leave this out because I'll show you how to fold it later. But before I do, I'll just mention some of the performance specifications on the chair. We can go up to 20 kilometers or 12 miles of range. And then for top speed, 8 kilometers per hour or 5 miles per hour. And one last thing I'll do before I fold this up is show you some of the adjustments you can do on eFlexx. So first, in the front on these footrests, these are height adjustable, so you can just remove this bolt here and then lengthen or shorten as necessary. Coming back here, you'll see, just like our standard Flex, we have holes here on the top of the frame. That will be to move the backrest back and increase the seat depth, or vice versa. Also here, we have the same backrest mechanism as the Flex, so we can go from -4 or 86 degrees all the way to 16 degrees or 106 degrees. And those are going to be 4-degree steps. All right. We're also able to move this bracket here, securing the wheel forward or back, which would change the center of gravity of the chair. And that's all for the adjustments, so I think we can go ahead and show you how to fold this. First, you would start lifting up the foot plates. Then you would lift up the front and back of the chair, push it in just like a manual chair, and then fold it closed. Now this doesn't fold closed as tightly as a manual wheelchair because you have those motors back, but this is still quite compact. And we can go one step further, folding down the backrest as well. So as you see, it's not the smallest shape in the world, but this can still fit in most closets or even a trunk of a car. So if you wanted to take it on the go or on your travels, eFlexx is there for you. Okay. So, if you are interested in eFlexx, make sure to contact your local Karma dealer or visit us at www.karmamedical.com and let us know. My name is Matt, and this is the eFlexx.